welcome to our channel. We are doing things a teeny weeny bit differently today. I was so excited last season to get my FabFitFun box that I figured I would share it with everybody on my Instagram, and it was amazing and huge, and I figured, why aren't we doing a video of this? So we are about to get into our winter FabFitFun box. So FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription. It costs like $50 a month, $50 every season. So I'm only billed 4 times a year, okay? This is the box, okay? So I have no idea. I did no customization for this box at all. So this is just exactly what they're sending me, and we're just gonna see what's going on with FabFitFun. So I am literally opening this up as we're like speaking. This has been sitting on my porch for a couple of days now, but I was out of town. So this is what it looks like when you open it. Okay, look how, I don't know who this white woman is. Maria Shriver. Is that the one Arnold Schwarzenegger cheated on with the house jewel? Drop down if you know and let me know. So Maria Shriver's on the front of the Winter 2019 magazine, okay? That FabFitFun puts out. All right. Save this for you. Okay, and I'll leave you guys this. It's $15 off your first box if you want to do this. Okay. I'm like, where are my words today? So they give you a HelloFresh coupon as well. 9 free meals. If you guys have used HelloFresh, drop down, let me know. I'm a chef extraordinaire, but I'm down to try something new. All right, let's get into it. First things first, we have the Erno Laszlo, New York Exfoliate and Detox Pore Cleansing Clay. Okay, can you guys see that? I know my light is crazy. So this is everything is like full size, guys, also, which is another reason why I love FabFitFun. Okay, so this is her out the pack. All right, so she's pretty cute. If I am obsessed with anything face scrub, face exfoliant, face mask, so I'm a product girl, okay? Which is why I get all these silly subscriptions, but you know, FabFitFun lives, we live for them. So we have the Yoga. This is by, I don't want to say it's Cuccio. So I'm going to say it's Cuccio. It's Cuccio, Somatology, Calm and Clean, Epsom salt hand wash and body wash. Can you guys see that? I'm sorry, there you go. There you go, okay? All these things are like the full size, which is another reason why I like them. I know I've said that. Okay, a coffee scrub. Black girls! Come to the front, ladies. Come on. Every girl, come on, come to the front. Hurry up. Coffee scrubs. Let me tell you something about these. Talk about smooth skin. When you look like you smell like you feel like chocolate, get you a coffee scrub. This is from frankbody.com. Frank Body, okay? This is the original coffee scrub. This is a nice big pack too. So I do a coffee scrub quite often, especially after I get, I hate to say this, something we got to stop doing in 2020 is telling people we getting waxes. We got to stop doing that. But because we talking, you know, we sitting up here, we chilling. The coffee scrub, after everything is, you know, it's the thing. Ooh, it is the thing. Oh my goodness. A journal for 2020. Look at this. How pretty is she? I need this because I am, as much as I'm a project manager, I am the most organized and unorganized project manager you know. Okay. What's next? Okay. We have Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler from the Drybar. Now, I will say this. The Drybar charges brown girls a little bit more to get their hair detangled. Next, we have a cute little necklace from Adore. Adore is available in Bloomingdale's and Nordstrom. Okay, is this a necklace or a bracelet? This is a bracelet with Swarovski crystals. Let me take her out the pack. Out the pack. Let's see. I should not be enjoying this much. It's like Christmas already. Okay. This is the bracelet. I love this. It'll match my rose gold ring. This is a, oh, okay, this is okay. I guess this is a bracelet. I don't know who itty bitty wrist this is going on, but it's cute though. Y'all see that? That's cute. Okay, adore. All right, and we have a makeup eraser. What is this? The makeup eraser. Erase all makeup with just water. Let's see this now. They must have known who they were sending this bad boy to. Let's see. Bye Bye Makeup Wipes Forever. Okay. This is cute, guys. It looks like a face cloth for your face. I guess you just wet it and remove the makeup. This will be a fascinating use because I only wipe my face with a towel and I have on makeup when I'm at a hotel, and I don't give a damn if all this black melanated 440 Fenty Beauty get on your rags. Okay, so this will be fascinating. I'm gonna give you guys an update on this one, and I love anything that takes the makeup off. Okay, I'm real particular how I put it on, but I'm fascinated by this. Look at that. That's not even like the towel. This is like, you know how you have that cute little plush throw on your couch? That's this material. So I'm fascinated by this. I'm gonna have to let you guys know about that one. Okay. And we've made it to the end of our FabFitFun box. This has been so much fun, guys. I have to do this more often. This is our last piece. This is Kate Somerville's Goat Milk. Condition, restore, and revitalize. Okay, what's this for? Okay, Somerville, whom I do not know, never heard of, don't owe no money to. Okay, let's see. Oh, and look, they gave us a cute little coupon. Okay, that's cute. Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, AM and PM. Oh, it's for your face and neck. Ladies, if you're doing, this is something that everybody needs to know. Whatever you're putting on your face, you need to put it on your neck. Because especially if you're doing like an anti-aging, your neck gets old. I live in LA. I see a lot of young faces and a lot of old ass necks. Okay, so if I don't tell you anything you put anti-aging, rub it into your hands, your neck, and your face. Okay, it works like a charm because guess what? It gets old too. Your hands. A lot of y'all's walking around here looking like the Crypt Creepers. Okay, you know who I'm talking about. Him. So God don't like ugly. God don't like ugly. So I'm saying all that to say, FabFitFun. I enjoyed this with you all today. I hope you guys come on back, hang out with your girl for Wiggy Wednesday. I don't know about the smell, y'all. It's very medicinal. Very medicinal. But I'm saying all that to say, this was amazing. I enjoyed this thoroughly. Come on back, hang out with your girl, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Bye.